Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of Cinema Basics, where I give context and a brief demonstration of classic cinema techniques, which might actually help you spice up your own work. In today's episode, we are talking about the Snorricam. Snorricam, also known as chest cam, body mount camera, body cam, or body mount, is a camera device used in filmmaking that is rigged to the body of the actor, facing the actor directly, usually paired with a wide-angle lens. This is so that when they walk, they seem to not be moving, but everything around them actually does move. Now, important note, it should not be confused with Spike Lee's double dolly. That's for another video. A Snorricam presents a dynamic point of view of both the actor and the environment, providing an unusual sense of vertigo to the viewer, mostly used while presenting the character in an altered state. It was greatly popularized by directors like Darren Aronofsky, particularly in his early movies like Pi or Requiem for a Dream, but the use of similar devices and techniques dates back to even Martin Scorsese's Mean Streets, or even before that on John Frankenheimer's Seconds. I've seen this particular technique used in many different mediums like animation or even YouTube videos, so consider it as a new tool in your filmmaking arsenal. Remember to share this video with someone who might find it useful. I make videos like this as frequently as I can, so consider subscribing. Let me know in the comments if there's any other classic cinema techniques you'd like me to break down or dive into. Leave a like and hit me up on social media. Links will be in the video description. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Cheers.